So really how, these are the numbers that are essentially proving that, first of all, we have more user retention. And there's something interesting, as a researcher, I've studied this, experimenting with a lot of 3D technologies. There is a, memory retention rate also increases because, we are visual learners, especially when it comes to shopping. We like to see and feel the product. And that, again, as a it essentially bridges the gap. It builds more trust with the retailers, and we see more return customers, right? They come and check out, hey, is there something to try? Is there something to experience now? And it reduces the time to shop as well. Like, although they may spend some time interacting with it in 3D, but they're not clicking on like individual perspective of images, many times. And it doesn't make sense for any retailer on a product display page or anywhere on their website to have, like, let's say 50 to 100 different shots of a same product, or to create this kind of like a pseudo 3D experience where they're essentially flipping through images. So right now, what we are essentially seeing is, it is driving higher sales because of these numbers that I just mentioned. Um, and again, we are seeing numbers where, there's increase in, higher engagement by 94%. Actually, more and more people are now, it's becoming more and more of like a household thing, right? Like and it's because CELA is targeting those customers with smartphones, and right now we are talking about more than 1 billion people. Like, the user base is really huge. So all these retailers, they really don't need to invest anything more. They just need to have this kind of cloud-based AR experience through which, we just access the camera with the permission, obviously, and then they can have this very simple to more advanced augmented reality experience, which also I'll describe later on. And again, because they can see it in 3D, they can try it out. It also reduces the return rates by 68% now. So this is actually a data from Shopify, and we are seeing more and more, like, these numbers are gradually increasing as more and more retailers get on board, and more people become used to this kind of technologies.